In this video, let's talk about how to change your name servers. To complete your Cloudflare name server setup, you will now need to change the DNS within your domain registration account. Regardless of which domain name registration company you are using, your tasks are the same. This means logging into your domain registration account, removing any existing name servers that might already be set, and replacing those with the ones that Cloudflare is providing you on this page. While this simple two-step process is already explained on this page, note that your first step may be different depending on your domain registration company. As you can see, Cloudflare knows which domain registrar you have used, and in step number 1, they will tell you to log in to that account. Because the dashboard, navigation, and menu names could differ for each individual registration company, you are advised to navigate through the account yourself, identify your domain name, find where you can manage that domain, and look for where you can change your name server or DNS records. Once you have found a place to enter in your own name servers or custom DNS, or whatever your domain registrar wants to call it, you will then go back to Cloudflare to find the new name servers that you need to enter into your account. Again, keep in mind that what you're looking at right now may not be what you see on your own screen, and that's because you might not be using the same domain registration company as what you see over here. For yours, simply do what you can to follow along and find where you can replace name servers within your own account. Once you have done so, confirm your changes within your domain registration account to continue.